Ngenkathi iMarumo Gallants libangise eLibya emdlalweni wayo weCAF ne-Al-Ahda ibhekane nezingqinamba njengoba izikhulu zayo ezimbili uMatsena noTebogo Dlomo besavalelwe eLibya kuze kube manje ngenxa yokungakhokheli usomabhizinisi wehotela imali ephelele.
During the preliminary stage they had a game in Benghazi, then out of the relationship that they established with the hotel owner in Benghazi, they tried to solicit their support in securing a charter flight to Benghazi.
Ngemumva kokubambezeleka Izindaba inxusa laseningizimu Afrika eTurkey liphoqeleke ukuba lingenelele abalawuli balomqhudelwano bagcine benquma ukuhlethisa isikhathi sokuqala komdlalo.
Then when they were supposed to fly back, I'm told the owner, Mr. for the payment for the chartered flight from Istanbul to Benghazi, which we are told it only lasted for about 1.5 hours.
Leli qembu laseLimpopo lenqabile ukukhokha ngemumva kokubona ukuthi imali elizoyikhokha isiphindwaphindwe kaningi.
The team owner is not against paying, but he wanted to get a detailed invoice from the person who made those arrangements.
Ngemumva kokungenelela komnyango wezobudlelwane namazwe omhlaba kukholakala ukuthi uMatsena noDlomo bengase bededelwe kuleli sonto.